We ain't doing an unboxing video with these dirty ass hands.
Nice.
Is that cord behind you?
So we're not worried about this packet. This is gonna be for a whole different thing. This is for the actual bike. It's on the floor. This isn't sponsored by Shipping Helmets either. I had to pay. This is not a promotional video. Where is it? See, I wish I had a microphone. It'd be a lot more crispier. Yeah, thank you, Champion Helmets. Give you guys a quick little 360 around the box. Thank you. Read this way. Yo, little point, huh? Yo, y'all see it. God damn it. It's supposed to be. It's just a regular bottom box. So after opening the box, this is what you open with. A little cushioning. Right off the bat, got the nice little bag. That's the visor. Little mesh bag. What a fucking shit stain? Is it a fucking blood stain or poop stain? It's on both sides. Probably for the box. Better not be a poop stain, good man. With our extra visor, smoke visor. Struggling right now with this damn thing. Nice smooth visor. Motherfucker look like they tried on or something. Yo, she got all these little. What the hell is all that? Better be from the cardboard box. Yeah, this is good. Alright. The most excited part. Now, even though I don't sound excited, I've been very excited for the past couple days since I ordered it. Yeah. We in Vietnam. This motherfucker fake. Yo. I thought they produced shit in Italy. It's an Italian helmet made in Vietnam. This is crazy. Hold up. And it come from Netherlands. This is throwing me off a little bit. Hold up.
It is true.
We'll come to the helmet in a second. What's inside this box? Paper. Assault packet. AGV warning label. Yeah, if you want to, don't read it. Pin locks. Looks like it comes with maybe two. I don't know what this is, but this is what we're putting in our helmet. Alright, there's pin lock. Game changer. Ever since I used pin locks, never cut. These things are game changers. Ever since I put these on my helmet, I don't know if I can ride a helmet. I don't know if I can ride without one on my helmet anymore. I used to ride without them. My helmet will fog up. And I had these sitting around, didn't know what they were used for. And I'll use them now, non-stop. Time for the actual helmet. So I can tell about that thing. Reveal it. Oh my goodness. Let's get this thing out. God damn, pull out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's see that. This is absolutely nuts. Damn, this shit look crazy. This is well worth the price. Got it on sale, by the way. Don't ask how much I paid for it. It's like a purplish blue with the carbon on there. Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Why it look like this? I don't like that though. It's a little weird. Back. Look at that. Inside, just a regular AGV inside. Look at that. Look at that! I wonder if you guys can see that Iridium. Well, that blue is crazy. It's like a galaxy purpley blue. I don't know how to describe the colors. Absolutely beautiful. 100% carbon shell too, not the fucking wrapped. Okay, we're gonna remove this little plastic shit. Got a fishbowl. Probably won't even guess. Revzilla in Philly. It's like the closest one to me. This has this for like 1,700, 1,600, 1,700, right around that price. I saved me over $500 at Champion Helmets. Not sponsored though, not sponsored. Got actual verified AGV silicone oil for your visor mechanism. Right now, being fast, a little pain in the butt going right now. All you want to do is grab a little bit of this oil, silicone. And just get a little droplet right there. Just so to help it slide right up on in there. Just a little bit. You don't need much. It should help you. There you go. A lot easier. Wow. This is probably the part y'all I'll be waiting for. See if I can get it in frame. The most satisfying part of it. That wasn't that much satisfying like the other helmets. But wow. Yeah. Look at that. Light smoke. Woohoo. We'll give you some on the helmet shots right quick. On helmet footage. I don't got the pinlock, so it's fogging up on me. We're gonna get to that in a second. Look at that. Box on the way. Give you guys a little 360. I can't breathe. Guy. Wrap it up right now. We ain't gonna do the whole thing. So on him, fits very snug like it's supposed to. payment strap is going up. Luckily, this one has the buttons. Some of them have the Velcro. I don't like the Velcro. It's almost there. It's not all the way there, but it's almost there. Yo. Are you getting my inches, girl? What do you think of it?
It's nice.
Was it worth the wait? Cameraman don't talk apparently, guys.
The wait, you mean the money? The wait wasn't even long.
Yeah, you're right. Because I play for Express. I had to turn the bike off so you can hear me. I don't know how much you can see it. This is more in the sun outside. This is what it looks like with the bike. You get the purple with the blue. The blue off the bike reflects right off the nice shiny carpet. You get the sparkles with the green. This thing just looks absolutely insane during the day. Matches everything. Matches my little carbon seat. I gotta get my bracket for my exhaust, but it's gonna match my carbon exhaust. I got some other little carbon pieces right here I want to get, you know, more carbon with it, but oh my goodness, absolutely beautiful.